Okay, so here on the screen, we have United Taxi Services for Curbside, right? So we're gonna click on Curbside. We're gonna go to the Curbside section of this. It's gonna bring you to that. We're gonna put in your first name, phone number 330-274-934, UTS Taxi. I'm just showing you guys how to fill this out so you guys understand the process. I know some people probably want to skip through this and stuff like that, but I'm going to show you the pickup address, 3200 Atlantic. Okay, I'm just trying to show you guys what's going on. Canton, Ohio, 44705. Stark. Drop off address, make it up an address, 2533 Indian Way, Northeast Canton, Ohio. This is just basically giving me a drop off location where after I pick up your groceries, we gotta know where we're taking them to. So that's how that is. Stark. Okay, now if you're buying alcohol, you need to upload an ID or we can't deliver it to you. Color house is red. How do you want to be notified? How do you want us to contact you when we arrive at you? Let's just say meet at door. Where you want us, where would you like your food to be placed at when we arrive? Let's just say front deck. If your food is already paid for. Now, if your food is already paid for, the website will give you directions on how to process this question, because one's going to be for paid for and one's going to be for just deliver only. But let's do is food already paid for? Let's say no. What is the total? Let's just say if you have the total amount, you can let us know how much the total amount is going to be for the groceries. Give us a list of what you bought for food. If it has a order number, provide it, please. Okay, now next, terms and conditions. This is where we're going to go do your terms and conditions, giving you an understanding. Giving you an understanding of the refund policy and deposit. You're going to put your name, basically agreeing to terms and conditions. The date is going to be 04/10/22. And you're going to say next, set up finances and delivery. Okay, this option is going to be for food not paid for, food paid for, delivery only. So let's say that you don't have the food paid for, food not paid for. We offer a deposits. So if you want to choose a deposit, you can choose a deposit of what you need. Let's say that you got $60 on groceries, add to cart and you'll go to the flow. If you do not, if you already got the food paid for, you can go back here and you can say change delivery options and you can go to food paid for delivery only. Then it's going to take you to the markets where you will pay for the services. This is where you pay for the services as far as the delivery. The county you live in is what the fee is going to be for the delivery charge. So that's what the fee is going to be for your delivery in your county for services. After you have paid that, you'll get confirmation of services in the next category. If you want to change the theory back to food not paid for, you want to use a deposit, you can do that. You can click on your, let's say you're going to do $100, click on add to cart. Once you click on add to cart, it's going to take you to the process. It's going to give you quantities. You can choose different quantities, but let's just say you want one. You click on checkout and it's going to take you to the pay page. Now, the same process with this, after you pay for the deposit, it's going to take you to the delivery section. It's going to take you to that. The same way, because the delivery fee got to get paid either way. Either if you didn't pay for the food or if you did pay for food, the delivery fee still got to apply to the orders. So after you get done with that, you'll be done with that. And so forth and so forth. Very easy process. And then everything is done. It's that simple. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. We thank you for watching the video for United Taxi Services. If I went too fast, I do apologize. I know that people got things to do. We're just trying to explain this the best we can. So you got a rough idea how to do this. you got any questions, please feel free to live chat me. Thank you and God bless.